We just got back from our day out and the room is clean. And I did not do a room tour when we first walked into this room. And I said, you know what? I'm going to wait until the room is clean again. Transparent moment. And then I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour. So this is being included in today's vlog. Just going to run through this room really quickly just so you guys can get an overview of what we have been living in for the past 3 nights. And tonight is our last night. So let's get started really quickly. So right here is the front door. The front door does have a full-length mirror behind it. Right to the left for our room, you have a closet here. The closet does come with, well, the room itself, I should say. The room does come with a steamer, a shoe shine sponge. Can't really see that. This closet has 4 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. And then it has a hanging side over here. This is our dirty clothes hamper. Don't mind that. It does come with an umbrella as well for your use. And some extra pillows at the top. Between both closet doors, this is the next one. So this is the first one. There is another mirror here. And it has a coffee pot. Was not used. Cup, some coffee, some sugar, some water. Right below here is your fridge. Oh, they refilled it for us. This is your fridge, so you have included drinks. And then you have your safe here, which we are definitely using, and it is large enough. You have about 2 laptops in there, 2 iPads, yada, yada, yada. The next side is another closet. It's like the other one. Exactly like it. I'm gonna open this because my clothes is in here, and y'all don't want to see all that. Right in front of the closet is the bathroom. So the bathroom does come with a separate toilet and a shower. Right over here is a tub. Looks like to be a jacuzzi as well. We did not use this tub. Don't know if it works or not, but you have the option to have a tub, to use a tub, I should say. And then here is your double sink vanity. Double sink. Below will be your towels. Where they put your towels, there's a hair dryer down there. And there's also a scale. So if you want to keep it together, you know, for those that needs to, check that. You have a scale here. And up here we have, came with the room, they do give you a toothbrush and toothpaste. If you get your toothbrush and toothpaste, there's actually one in here. You got the soap. They give you a vanity kit. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is, but there's 2 of them. And then you have a shaving kit as well. You have some hand wash and some body milk, which is lotion. On the wall, you have a little makeup mirror. And then you have the regular large mirror right here. Here is the shower. So I found that if you push it in, it works better. So here's the shower. The shower can definitely hold like 3 people. It's a pretty good shower. Only thing is it's not sealed closed, so the water does come out. If you get water splashed towards the door, it will come out to the floor. Just keep the towel there, guys. But it has a rain shower as well as a handheld for your convenience. And it has shampoo, conditioning shampoo, and shower gel. All right, so coming into the room, you have your bed, which is right here, king size bed. And guys, if you can tell, I have a light right here because it's a little dark in the room. I'm gonna turn the light up so you guys can see how the room actually looks. Yeah, so that's the room. It's not bright. It's a very moody room when it's nighttime. Your lights are very subtle and romantic. There's no brightness going on in here. Turn it back on. All right, so we have a side table here with a drawer. And then over here you have, it's not a bench, but we put our suitcases here. We had a suitcase here, we use it to unpack. And we stored our shoes at the bottom. And there's 2 over here, 1 on each side. And here is a dresser situation, also with more drawers. We didn't use these. I didn't even open these since you've been here. Yeah, but it's more storage here. And it is soft close. Look at that. Very nice. So So again, your dresser, and then here's your TV. Looks like a 55-inch. The bed again, another side table with your phone, the drawer, and then we have a couch over here. Don't know if the couch is a pull-out or not, but Damion, was the couch comfortable?
Sitting in it, yeah.
Oh, he said sitting in it was comfortable. Sleeping in it, he didn't have to try it. I didn't put him out the bed. We stored some luggage on the side there. And then over here is another table. If you gotta get some work done. This is our charging station while we're here. And this is our KFC that we had for lunch today. Ooh. But yeah, this one also comes with drawers. So plenty of storage is in this room. And we have a little table here. And then we have our balcony. This is a double door balcony, so you can open it up as wide as you like. And then you just come on out here. Right now we have Damion sitting on the little egg chair. Lord, I hope it don't break because it's all rusty. Turn around. Yeah, it works. And then we have some two chairs and a table, but there's drawers on the table, so we're not gonna show y'all that. And then here is the view at night-ish from our balcony. So we have a pool view. I believe most rooms here, a good 95% of them are pool view. So it just depends on where your viewing is at. And then down there we have some up rooms. Our friends are in those. Go ahead and check out Today Davis to see their room tour, because I'm sure they did one. All right, guys, so that is the room tour really quickly. Now we're gonna get back into our vlog for our last night in Jamaica. Let's go to dinner.